In a time long past, in the shadowed hills and ancient temples of Japan, there lived warriors unlike any other the samurai. They were not merely soldiers, they were guardians of honor, disciples of discipline, and followers of the way, the Bushido. Each photograph you see was once a silent moment frozen in black and white, but now, brought back to life in color, they whisper their stories once more. The samurai lived by a strict code, loyalty to their lord, mastery of the sword, and above all, unshakable honor. To them, death was not to be feared, only dishonor. A true samurai would rather fall by his own blade than live in shame. Their weapons were not just tools of war. The katana was their soul, forged with precision, handled with reverence, and wielded with the calm of a storm. But the strength of the samurai did not come only from battle. Many were poets, philosophers, and scholars. They found power in silence, wisdom in nature, and peace in the face of death. As you look into these faces now alive again, you're not just seeing warriors. You're seeing men of deep thought, shaped by duty, sacrifice, and the fleeting beauty of life itself. The age of the samurai may be gone, but their spirit still walks among us in every act of courage, every moment of stillness, and every choice made with honor.